How to send disappearing messages on Telegram. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. Go to the top right corner and tap on their profile. Over here, tap on More. Then, select Start Secret Chat. Tap on Start again to confirm. You can now start a secret chat with this person on Telegram. Secret chats have end-to-end encryption and leave no trace on the servers. They also have a self-destruct timer and do not allow forwarding. This means that once the timer goes off, your messages in this chat will disappear. Following these steps, you can easily send disappearing messages on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.